Hi everyone, in today's video we'll install a rear view camera on the 2019 Santro AMT model. Now the first variant that came on the Santro did not have a reverse camera, but it had this touchscreen. So what we'll do is we've got a coupler and a camera. I got this from Mahavir Agencies in Chennai. This is the one, and it has the coupler, camera. So this is that coupler, actually 12 volt input to the camera. This is a camera unit. So this doesn't need any drilling because it's going to get installed in the number plate light socket. You have the number plate light here. This one. You can take out the bulb from it, install the bulb in this socket here and replace this. So RCA cable that will go all the way from the rear to the front of the car. So I have got this some basic set of tools, this fishing cable through which we'll get this cable from the camera all the way inside the car. And because you can see these reverse parking sensors already done from the dealership, I'm going to take the 12 volt tapping from the reverse parking module. Insert a flat bit screwdriver here and take out the number plate light, and you can twist this socket. The diffuser comes off. You need to route the camera cable to the inside. So what you need to do is have a fishing cable like this. Just insert it. So we have fished the cable through this left number plate slot, and it has come out through this grommet hole here. Connect the number plate light to the hole here. The diffuser lens also works like it should. So the power and video output cables both are here through the grommet. I have secured the grommet here. Now what we have to do is we have to power this camera. So for that, like I said, we'll tap it from the existing reverse camera cables. Now the dealership has secured the whole assembly inside here. So this is that aftermarket reverse camera setup. So this is that main box which has the power and other connectors going to it. So this is that power connector, red for positive 12 volt and black for ground. We'll tap into this one. Now we'll apply insulation tape here, or you could apply heat shrink sleeve. So we have insulated both the joints and have taped them together. Now we'll tuck this all in. We'll connect this end to the adapter here. Okay, so the cables have been neatly tucked in, and I've used a cable tie to route the power cable till here. And you have the camera's cables, so let them both be here. We'll connect it towards the end. Now the next thing is routing this RCA cable from the rear to the front. So Now we have the coupler here. We have pulled it here. Now there's a lot of cable, so you will have to tie them up. Guys, if you have a cable tie, I suggest you use that because I did not carry it with me. Now we'll connect these two cables. Guys, since no video shows what are the back connectors of the Santro, I decided to take a close-up of the connectors. So this is that coupler. This is a stock connector and this is the coupler. Now this is a dummy area. We really don't need this. You only need this part because the camera connection is coming right here. These two cables you see. This is the one that is coming from the RC cable here. And we have not connected this red cable. It is just left bare. So that's as far as connectivity goes. So we'll just put everything back. Guys, let's do the final connections at the rear. Connect the power connector for the camera. Connect the video output. Leave this cable bare. Now you will see that these two white cables, you have to connect them because I tried many permutations and combinations for the display to appear on the screen, and it is only after these two cables were connected the display came on the screen. So connect it and insulate this joint. So we have insulated this joint. Put this luggage cover back. We'll just do a quick test to see if it is working. So that completes all the replacement part, guys. Now